dirty. I see are dirty.
You love
Like,
kitty cats?
that's in the backyard.
Really?
And I only have one. And a tree. And Bubba, Daddy, he got the thing.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're a little too young for that.
Look, it was laying on the floor. Nobody was getting it.
Yeah, I can see why. Good job, Kyle.
Want it?
No, I know where that's been.
I want to touch it.
You want it?
Yeah. The skirt.
Skirt.
Yeah.
Put it on your baby oil.
It goes with a skirt.
Oh yeah, I want to put on my baby doll.
Oh, okay.
Baby doll.
Hey, what'd that boy do to Natalie, Courtney? Huh?
I heard the kiss him.
Her what?
Heard the kiss him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were they supposed to do that?
No.
Well, it's okay now. They're married.
Yeah, they are married.
So yay.
Yay. But I don't know.
Hey, that's what I did. But